you've ever tried to update your CV, you probably know the feeling. You open a blank document, you stare at the screen, and suddenly a simple task turns into hours of formatting, rewriting, and second-guessing yourself. What should go first? How long should it be? What do recruiters actually want to see? For many people, writing a CV is harder than it should be. Over the years, we've worked with thousands of professionals, and one thing became very clear. Most people don't struggle with their experience. They struggle with structuring it properly on paper. They know what they've done. They know the value they bring. But turning that into a clear, professional CV that recruiters can quickly understand is where things get difficult. And then there's the cover letter, which many people either avoid completely or find frustrating to write. So we built something to help. Introducing Smart CV Builder. Smart CV Builder is an intelligent CV creation platform designed to guide you step by step through building a professional CV and customized cover letters. Instead of starting from a blank page, the system walks you through the process. You simply enter your information, and the platform helps organize your experience into a clean, professional structure. You can then choose from professionally designed CV layouts and instantly generate a document that's ready to send to employers. And if you need a cover letter for a specific role, the system can help you generate one tailored to your application. Smart CV Builder is designed to make the process faster, simpler, more structured, and far less stressful. Whether you're applying for your first job, updating your CV after a few years, or preparing for your next career move, the goal is simple: to help you present your experience clearly and professionally. If your CV has been sitting on your to-do list for a while, this might be the easiest way to finally get it done. You can explore Smart CV Builder at smartcv.elite-cv.com and take the first step toward your next opportunity.